Hello there. So I am currently at a job with Jared and Victor. We are looking at some recessed lights, an outlet that fell out of the wall or something like that, and then some lighting outside. So let's run in here and see how things are going. So what we're doing right now is in the master closet, there's a ironing board that comes out of the cabinetry right there. They installed this outlet with a cut-in box, and it's literally falling out of the wall. The first step before we start messing with this outlet, because it's so wobbly and weak, we need to turn off the breaker.
Only kill the breaker. Yeah, that's what I want. You want me to go down?
Oh. Hold on. That's fine. Just try turning off the master.
Look at how wobbly that thing is. It's literally falling out of the wall. Imagine how dangerous this would be if their customer's trying to iron their clothes, plugging in their iron, and that thing's falling out of the wall like that. There's a good chance they're going to get whopped.
I would assume it's probably the master.
Okay, I'm going to turn it off right now.
Yep, go ahead.
This thing should be on a dedicated circuit.
No. Nope, it's still on. Yeah. Go... Because that cut off lighting.
FCI breaker here. Square D with the test bowl.
Go do it again. Cut it again. Yep.
Now that it's dead, watch how easily Jared just rips this thing right out of the wall. I mean, it literally fell out of the wall.
That's it.
Crazy. And it's got 20 feet of wire connected to it. It turns out it is on a dedicated circuit. It was just mislabeled on the panel schedule. The little ears on the cut-in box snapped off if you look closely. It's probably because they had this much wire wedged behind it. So the game plan at this point is to replace the cut-in box with one that's not broken and cut some of that wire back so there's not as much pressure on the box and it doesn't happen in the future. I mean, I'm pretty sure whoever installed this knew what they did when they did it and just left it like that. And it's a little frustrating. I don't know, maybe not, but, you know, they had to snap when they were tightening the screws is what my thoughts are. I literally just cut off like 3 feet of wire.
A razor knife?
Yep.
And I do kind of see why they left the wire long like that. It makes it a little easier to make it up outside of that little gap in the cabinet. But come on, we're supposed to be professionals, and it's not that hard to make it up back in there. The other day I found a ground like this that was going through a panel. Actually, it was yesterday. It was energized at 40 volts.
The ground?
Mm-hmm. The emergency where it actually had nothing to do with it. I was there doing AC. The AC wasn't working. And the guy calls me out. They just bought the place. It's like one of those quadplexes. I get there. I'm thinking I'm going to do AC. You don't need no stinking ladder to mess with an AC unit, right?
No.
Except for when they're on the roof. So AC on the roof isn't uncommon, but for residents like this, it's a little unusual.
I gotta get the clamp fixed on it. But yeah, it was brand new Romex. Like, it wasn't old.
And whoever put this in before cut this out?
Yeah, I would assume so.
I only asked because it looks like they gnawed a hole in the drywall instead of using a cut-in saw.
Yeah, a lot of the time it always just becomes... What are you willing to actually deal with?
So I gotta run out here and go to a Red Lobster here in a minute. Their lights are flickering.
Red Lobster?
Mm-hmm.
I thought they went out of business.
Oh yeah, I thought so. Yeah, or like a bunch of them did, right?
Yeah, I could have sworn they went out of business.
The place we went to on Friday. You guys are gonna be jealous. It was a steakhouse, and I ordered they have Wagyu there. So, you know, one in Rome.
Hey, listen.
Who was
you
there?
know what I'm saying? Hey,
Ethan and
who were you
Caesar?
working
Yes,
with?
Yeah, that's what I
Who
thought.
were you working with though? Ethan and Caesar?
Yeah.
Oh, so they got a little taste of the good life, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Must be nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
You gonna buy me some Wagyu?
If you were there, hell yeah. I mean, and the other thing too.
I'm here now though.
Oh, wow. I don't have any on me.
Hey, I didn't know.
The other thing that was cool is I ordered it and then they wouldn't let me pay for it.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. You want to? Well, we need to plug test it.
I got you right here.
Hey, I never tried.
It's not
lobster.
live though, right?
I've never had lobster before in my
No,
life.
me either.
Never. Maybe Raph should get us some for lunch today.
Is it live?
No, it shouldn't be.
He's dead. How you want me
Yeah,
to
so-
turn on?
Yeah.
It shouldn't be live now.
Don't let these guys fool you. I got them good lunch before too.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah, we're ready.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Good to go.
All right, we got it.
These are the old school baffle trims with the standard light bulb, and they're also a little corroded. So we're going to replace them with the new integrated LED trim that looks a little nicer. Not only do they look a little nicer, but they're better at vapor resistance because they seal tighter. And for the same reason, they keep critters out and bugs and stuff like that, which when we pulled these ones down, stuff went everywhere. In my experience, these will light the space a little better. They feel like I've cast a wider beam, and also they're going to last a lot longer because they keep the moisture out. Eureka, they look good. So we replaced 3 fixture in total, and this is the last out of the 3.
What's it, man? Yo, we open the axis. It's like a metal.
Jared just got showered in dead bugs. That's why he was breathing all over himself.
A dead bear come on.
A dead bear?
Beer.
Oh.
I steep this. I saw that comment and I do this.
Victor's talking about how his Matrix-like reflexes helped him avoid getting bopped in the face with a dead bird.
Wow.
Right here, we're fixing these 2 lights that are on the summer kitchen that aren't working.
Is it's either going to be a GFI or the breaker's tripped, or it could be this switch right here. There's something wrong with the switch, so it's one of the 3.
Do you have your impact or? No, the other one can't just sit here, you know.
Yeah.
I feel like a pit crew.
I got it. I caught it. Got it? Yeah.
Yep.
Nice. Good hands.
That is a weird bulb. I'll tell you what, buddy. It's an integrated bulb, is what it is.
But it's not getting power though.
They weren't joking when they put this thing together, man. Bunch of screws holding this on.
No, it's low voltage.
Yeah.
But this still might go off, right? Or no?
Try
it.
Click the what's it called? This.
Oh
here.
yeah.
I got the. There you go.
Jared's just turning on the switch right now, and it should ring out, but it's not. So that means it's not the bulb, and the problem is somewhere else. You don't want to lose any of these billion screws they got going here.
Is this even on? As far back as it can.
Make sure there's no cobras in here.
The way this is set up, this is the transformer, and it plugs into this outlet back
Yeah,
here,
go
and the
turn it
switch
on.
turns that outlet on.
Turn on the switch.
No.
So we ended up finding a GFI receptacle that was tripped, and we reset it, and now we're trying it again.
Oh, on. It's on.
Yeah, they're on.
It's on.
Yeah, they're on.
All right, so just getting out of here right now. We got those lights figured out. Not too big of a deal. And we also got that outlet straightened out that was up in the closet. So everything came out nicely in the end, and we're gonna get out of here. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.